Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Let's Talk Taxis. Roll the VT. So today on the show, it's Rant Day. Yes, it's going to be a bit of a rant. And this is why. I got a lovely thing through the post for a parking ticket for £100 because I dropped somebody off at Enterprise Rent-A-Car at Liverpool Airport last month, which is in February, at 9:05 at night. A single woman who had broken down her car in Huyton. She'd ordered an Uber. The Uber map told me where to take her, so I dropped her right off outside the Enterprise Rent-A-Car hub. Now, according to the parking ticket, I have parked there illegally or dropped off somebody illegally, which is why they've given me a £100 fine for it. So, what did I do? Well, I thought to myself, it's the Uber map that took me there, so it's probably best to let Uber know to not let anybody go there in the future so they're not having the same situation. I need a cup of tea. So, I ring up Uber yesterday and I speak to the helpline people and I tell them what the situation was. They said that somebody would then get back in touch with me to discuss it further. Okay, that's fine. The person did try to call me back while I had a customer in the car, and obviously as I was hands-free, I did ask the customer if I could just take the call for 1 second, and I found out that it was the Uber, and I said to them, can I call you back? I said, I've got a customer in the car. Absolutely fine. Only to find out that as soon as I dropped off, Uber blocked my account. Why, I hear you ask? Well, here is why. Due to safety procedures that I'd broke, they'd blocked my account. Now you're all looking at me going, aye, Lee, what safety procedures? You answered the phone on a hands-free call. You haven't touched your phone in any way, shape or form. Where was the problem? The problem being, because I got penalised for a £100 fine, to which Uber sent me to the job and obviously told me to drop off there, that is why I got my account blocked. Only to be told by the girl on the phone that if this happens again in the future, there's going to be more sanctions taken against. So people, we are at 12:19. 12:19 on Thursday the 13th of March. I'd say we're having a bit of a so-so day so far. So let's see, we started at 9:15 this morning. So what, we're 3 hours and 35 minutes in. £58.49 in the pot so far. So, yeah, secret location. But for now, we'll just keep plodding on. And we'll just keep driving along until I get to my secret location. And see what we can earn on the way. So, stay tuned. Hello everyone. Welcome to the second part of the video. It's a little bit later now than what we expected. I obviously went to the secret location to get the car sorted before. Washed and cleaned, which is good. Then I decided to go and nip home for a bite to eat for my dinner. So here we are in Manchester. It is 7:25. I dropped my friends off at 7:15, and I've done one job already, which has brought me back here. A little bit dark, but the traffic. Oh, see, Gary hates city centres. I just hate the traffic in Manchester. They don't think of any infrastructure around these places. They really don't. You got to drop the people half a mile off from the bloody stadium, you know, and then they got to walk to it. Ridiculous. So yeah, so I'll give you the breakdown on that job anyway for you folks. Like I said, it was a Trip Radar one. Came in at £3.82. £3.82, and it took me for £3.82 14 minutes doing 1.5 miles. Told you the traffic was bad. Bloody horrendous. So, I know for a fact I'm not going that way I'm going this way instead. Get me away from the traffic. I want some free-flowing traffic. And this will do for me. So stay tuned, people. Let's see how we're doing. We're now up to £89. My friends are in the concert. I've got to pick them up between 10:30 and 11 o'clock. So I will give you the breakdown later of how much we've done. So remember the time, 7:26. 3 hours. Let's see what we can do. Speak to you soon. So we come to the end of the evening. Let's see, 9:37. Grand total today, £142.89. So, yeah, can't complain about that one really. But obviously I'm here in Knutsford services, and I've got to get back to the I've got to get back to the Co-op Arena to go and obviously pick up some family friends, take them back home to Liverpool. So, yeah, it's Monday, £142. We can take that. So altogether, that was about 19 trips today, and on the drive time, 5 hours and 50.